Hi kids, good morning. Today we are learning ABCD with colors. A for apple. A for ant. A for alligator. A for apple. Now we are writing yellow color with color pencils. Okay. A for apple. A for ant. A for alligator. Okay. Next B for ball. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. Orange color. Okay. B for ball. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat. C for cat. C for cow. C for cat. C for cow with red color. With red color. C for cat. C for cow. C for cat. C for cow. D for doll. D for doll. D for dog. D for dog with pink color. Okay. D for doll. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for doll. Wow, nice. Next E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. Which color? Using green color. Blue color. Which color? Blue color. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. Do you want smile? Wow. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Wow, nice. Which color do you want? Green color. F for fish. Okay. F for fish. F for France. F for fish. Which color? This is green color. Which color? Green color. G for grass. G for goat. G for grass. G for goat. Which color? This is blue color. Okay, it's nice. See you on next video. Okay. Bye bye kids.